is my family, and today we're letting Instagram decide what weird food combinations we try.
I'm excited.
God, bro. I'm scared.
Okay, so the first one is pickles with Cheetos. I'm assuming they're supposed to be mixed. So, and then the pickles. Oh my god, this is so... Guys, come try this! These are two of my favorite things, but I've never actually tried them together, so it's really nerve-wracking.
Yup.
Okay. It's soggy.
Soggy?
What's this?
Oh! That's pretty good, actually. That's good.
I refuse. No, I'm out.
I'll give it
9 out of 10. For this next one, you need fruit punch and Oreos. This is kind of like cereal. This is the milk, this is the cereal. Always put the cereal first. Oh, jeez. So much sugar. I'm calling dibs on this. We gotta eat this fast because this is almost about to melt. Wow, that's actually pretty good. He's just drinking the fruit punch. Okay, yeah. Ew, it smells like cherry.
Let me taste. I want to taste.
Oh no, you taste
Ew.
I changed my mind because I'm intrigued. After everyone's reactions, they were so mixed. Wow, that's actually pretty good.
Ew.
So I will be the judge of that. Oh, yuck. Tastes like medicine. Fuck. Do the honors.
Smells sweet. What is inside? Oreos? No me gustan los Oreos.
That's a shame. That's a shame.
This is for my people.
Just do it.
Oh. Too sweet for my taste. Tastes like medicine.
It looks like nobody has really liked it except for Diesel. So I'm excited to try it. It is very different, but I think maybe the baby will like it. Definitely, I'm not a fan of fruit punch. So let's give it a go. Oh.
So for this next one, we need popcorn and yolk. Pour it on. Ugh. Oh my god. Come on! And now we eat. Here we go. The yogurt is super good. I like this, but the popcorn is salty and makes it color. Oh, it's just a little weird, but it's good. So I give it 9.9 out of 10.
Okay, it's my turn and this does not smell good. It's like sweet and salty, but not in the good way, in the bad way. Oh, this does not look good. Wow. Oh my gosh.
I really want to try it.
So I don't really want to try this because I'm not a fan of popcorn or this type of yogurt, but I'm gonna do it for you guys because you guys recommended it.
It smells good.
Because of the yogurt.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah, go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ladies first?
No, go
Alright.
It gives you that crunchy texture, huh?
It's good. Try it.
Okay, let's see.
You're gonna like it. Right? It's different, definitely. Different.
It is pretty good.
So for this one, we're gonna be needing peaches and tuna.
It smells so bad. Tuna. Oh.
I don't know. It is definitely a weird combination. No good?
I'm excited because I really like tuna and I really like peaches, so let's see.
Alright, I love peaches, probably my favorite fruit. Tuna, I like it a lot.
I'm not excited because I don't like tuna, but I do like peaches, so.
I'm gonna try it because the diners recommended it. It's just so muddy. It's so bad.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna skip out on the tuna because just the smell of it makes me very nauseous and I don't want to throw up. Alright you guys, so for this next one, you're gonna need cucumber
And ice cream!
ice cream. I like both, but mixed together, I don't know.
Okay, I'm kind of excited about this one.
Me too.
Ew!
I'm gonna try it.
What do you think? Must be good. It has to be good. Yep, look at her face.
I don't like cucumber, so this is a no for me.
Good.
Cheers.
It is so good. I cannot taste the cucumber. I can taste like crunchy ice cream. No?
A mí no me
It's so
gustó.
good.
So for this one, you'll need banana and mayo.
This is the first time I'm gonna try something like this, but I am
So
excited.
slippery.
I'm scared. I can't grab it.
I've never really liked banana, but I love mayo. All right, we got a good amount of
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers. When?
I like it. That's some good stuff. I don't taste the mayo.
Wow. It is so good.
I don't taste the mayo.
It is really, really good.
What do you think? It's good, actually.
All right, you guys, I am not a fan of mayo, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Everybody said it's pretty good, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, that was extremely disgusting. I absolutely despise mayo, so I will never try that again.
For this next one, you need Coca-Cola and peanut butter. I'm just gonna get a big spoonful and just, okay? Oh, ew, oh, it stinks. Why is it so fizzy? It's like a science experiment. All right, you guys, it's basically just bubbles with peanut butter. I'm gonna try it. And 9 out of 10.
This is just foam with peanut butter.
So that is peanut butter with Coca-Cola.
Nope.
And I am nervous for you.
This does not look appetizing.
All right, Ranger, so it's soda and peanut butter mixed together.
Soda
Uh-huh.
and peanut butter.
You love soda, so let's see if you'll love this.
This is another level of Cuckoo Loco Crazy Banana Knockers.
Okay, you heard it from Sue.
All up, Bobo.
Can I skip?
Tastes good.
Okay.
All right, you guys, so as you can see, this does not look appetizing at all. I don't even think I should do this, but I've already skipped out on one, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it a little bit.
Okay, so we need feta cheese and watermelon. Let's cut. Whose hand is that?
Bruh.
Okay, so I got the watermelon cut and the feta cheese. This is a perfectly good watermelon. And now it's time to try it. I'm gonna throw it.
Who cut the cheese? Cause it stinks. Lisa was not joking. This thing stinks. I'm nervous because Slush definitely didn't like this. Like, really didn't like this. I mean, I like almost everything, so I should like this. That's pretty good. 10 out of 10.
All right, Ranger, I'm really nervous for you because it seems like no one has really liked this except, again, Diesel.
This doesn't stink.
It doesn't stink. Is it because the cheese is all the way down in there? Is it good? You gotta put cheese on it though. You see those little pieces? Eat a piece of that. Is that good? Yes? You recommend it? Oh, he's going in for seconds, guys.
Okay, so I'm a fan of watermelon and I'm a fan of cheese, so easy peasy for me.
But are you a fan of it mixed together?
We'll see.
We will see. Stop.
It definitely not smell good.
What?
Oh.
Oh my god! The cheese is awful!
I'm on seconds.
So for this, we're going to need some ranch and some marshmallows. Ew. All right, so for those of you wondering and just getting here, those are marshmallows that are stuffed with chocolate, but they also have ranch.
Cheers. 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 Cheers.
Solange is like cleaning the ranch.
Wow, Solange.
Okay, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
Cheers.
2, 3.
Whoa!
My marshmallow is really hard on the inside. What is
Chocolate. There should be chocolate inside.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Oh!
Oh my god! Diesel is not a fan of it. He couldn't eat it, so he's over there taking it out. Ranger got ranch in his face and his hair. And Solange, I'm assuming, is gonna go wash off the ranch. I'm gonna skip out on that one just based on everybody's reaction. I don't feel like feeling nauseous. So for this one, we're gonna need some syrup
And Lay's.
and Lay's, and we're gonna mix it together. Definitely weird combination. Salty with sweet again.
I think it's gonna be good. Potato chips with anything, so it's good.
I mean, like with some sriracha sauce, I think it would be good, but with some strawberry syrup, all the syrup kind of went down, but there's still a lot on the top. I'm excited. This one doesn't look too bad. It doesn't smell too bad.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
I like this. It's a
The
little
salty and the sweet mixed together makes it. I don't even know what. It's good. I like it.
10 out of 10. My favorite so far.
I can definitely recommend this one. Whoever said to try this, good job. This is good.
I think the kids are gonna like it. Guys, this last one is amazing.
What is that?
Wait, I will tell you what it is.
Smell it.
It's Lay's with strawberry syrup.
Whoa!
It's actually really good. Oh, you're still grossed out from the last one, the ranch.
That one was no good.
Big one.
Look at Ranger trying to get more. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's a little salty, but once you get to the sweet part, no? What?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's salty, but when you get to the sweet part, it's kind of good. I give it a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a little too salty, but other than that, it's good, right? Ranger's saying he doesn't like it, but he wants more. Look at him.
He just wants the syrup.
Alrighty, you guys, that is it for today's video. We want to thank everybody for their weird combination food recommendations. It was interesting.
Different.
Definitely. A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. Part 2 maybe? Maybe part 2. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see part 2. I think Diesel liked most of them.
He did. I think I did some like ranch.
Just the ranch.
I don't like the ranch. The ranch is
Oh. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you guys want to win any Apple products, we're going to be announcing the winners very soon. See you guys next time. Bye.